Dear student, now those the keys what I have talked to you. Here I have given you the four keys: primary key, candidate key, alternate key, and foreign key. Now, key means what? Key's role is an important role. What is a key role that you know in your room or in your house or in your locker? The key is there that in your ATM, the key is your ATM card. So, key means which has its uniqueness. Okay, so in a relation table, when you create a key, the key will going to create an uniqueness of that particular data or the tuples. Okay, so among those things, what you will going to establish the relationship among this, you need a unique number. So Aadhaar card, you have a unique number. PAN card, you have a unique number. That means that particular unique number is being joined with one another and formed one unique number. So this is what you see it, that you must have the particular pattern of what? Particular pattern of keys are there. So first key is known as a primary key. Primary key is that key which you find it that the column will be set based on the primary key and the table that has an uniquely identified on it. That means that key cannot be duplicated, like your Aadhaar card number cannot be duplicated. Okay, so that is a primary key of your database. Now, candidate key means it is an attribute or the set of attribute. Candidate key means attribute or the set of attributes or the keys that participating for primary key or uniquely identified each of the record, which can uniquely candidate key also help to uniquely identify the record uniquely. Okay, but it cannot be said totally as a primary key, but because that pattern or type of thing can be available there. Alternate key, out of all the candidates key, giving all the candidate key, only gets selected as a primary key, only one gets selected as a primary key. There are many candidate key, one is getting selected as a primary key, and when this one gets selected as a primary key, the remaining key is known as an alternate key or the secondary key. Next is a foreign key. Foreign key means when you take, very simply I am saying, that I am coming to this definition. The primary key of any table, listen very nicely, the primary key of any table when use it in the another table, that is known as a foreign key. Okay, so any table, because you will find here you have to join two tables. How to join? That means you will take a primary key of the first table and you will put it in the second table. So that is known as a foreign key. So foreign key are the columns of the tables that point to be a primary key of another table. They act as a cross reference between the tables. Okay, they act as a cross reference between the tables. See here. In this particular table, there are two tables has been given to you for understanding purpose. Employee ID, employee name, address, license, and passport number. So employee ID, license number, and passport number, these three things can become the candidate key. Why? Because these three has an unique ability to become a primary key. Am I clear? So these three things has an unique ability to become a primary key: employee ID, license number, passport number. Now what I am taking according to my table, employee table, so I am taking an employee ID as a primary key, isn't it? This is a primary key. Now those candidate key and primary key, when you combine, it will become a super key. Now this license number and passport number, they are also unique key. Okay, so this unique key is the alternate key. This unique key is the alternate key and they can be said as a super key. When you combine these two key and form one key, that can form a super key. Now here you see employee ID and month of salary. Employee ID from which table? From the employee table, and salary table, salary month of the year. So you combine these two. Now employee ID, when you are taking from this table, that means it is a primary key of this table. Now when you take this one, it became now foreign key. And when you combine these two and form one key, it is what? It is a composite key. Clear? So this is how your key will be formed. Primary key, there can be in a table, there can be many columns which has their special ability to become a primary key. Like here employee ID, you can take a license also as a primary key, because license number cannot be duplicated. You can take the passport number as a primary key. Passport also cannot be duplicated. Okay, so passport number cannot be duplicated, license number cannot be duplicated, employee number cannot be duplicated. Now why you are taking the